So we talk about a robust power source. This is important because it affects what we can power with the source. Things like IT equipment, things like HVAC equipment, compressors, chillers, that sort of thing. You need to know what the load is before you know what you can support it with. So utility power is almost always the most robust. It's low impedance. It's like an ocean, right? A generator is in between. It's fairly robust, but it's certainly not as vast as a utility. But a generator almost always can handle your cooling loads, your chillers, your pumps, your compressors. A UPS is generally not a robust source. It's got very limited capability to handle large inductive loads that kick on, like air conditioning equipment in particular. So you almost never put any kind of an air conditioning equipment on a UPS, almost always on generators. Certainly a utility can handle all that. It's important to distinguish because we see these mistakes happen all the time where we've got a UPS system and typically old buildings full of equipment, and you trace the loads, all of a sudden you find an air conditioner way downstream attached to the UPS. And if the UPS is large enough relative to the air conditioner or the compressor, it generally will work, but it's not what you want because every time that compressor kicks, because the source is not that robust, you're going to pull the voltage down. You may pull it down far enough that it drops out for all practical purposes for the other loads.